Upmo has changed. I feel it in the fourth. I see it in the crags. I smell it in the cafe. Much that once was is lost. For none who now work here remember it. It began with the forging of the great rings. 3 were given to coordination. Immortal, most organised and practical of all workers. 6 to the team leaders, ever-present keepers of order of the Upmo halls. And 10 rings were gifted to the managers, who above all desire power. For within these rings was bound the strength and will to govern each member of staff and students. But they were all of them deceived. For another ring was made, in the land of the training kitchen, in the fires of the burning ovens. The Dark Lord Neron forged in secret a master ring, and into this ring he poured his observance, calculations and will to govern all workshops. 1 ring to rule them all. One by one, 3 workshops fell to the power of the ring. But there were some who resisted. A last alliance of staff and students marched against the armies of Neron, and in the corridors of the East Wing they fought for the freedom of Upmo. It was in that moment that Isiladam, son of the king, took up his father's sword. Neron, the enemy of the free people of Upmo, was defeated. The ring came to Isiladam, who had this one chance to destroy evil forever. But the hearts of some students are easily corrupted, and the demon ring has a will of its own. It betrayed Isiladam to his death. And some things that should not have been forgotten were lost. History became legend, legend became myth, and for the entirety of lunchtime, the ring passed from all knowledge. Until when chance came, the ring ensnared a new bearer. It came to the creature Golyam, who took it deep into the manager's offices, and there it consumed him. It brought to him unnatural shredding ability, and for the whole summer it poisoned his mind, and in the gloom of Golyam's shredding corner it waited. Darkness crept back into Upmo. Rumour grew of the shadow in the east wing, whispers of a nameless fear, and the demon ring perceived its time had now come. It abandoned Golyam. But then something happened the ring did not intend. It was picked up by the student Jojo Jaggins of Meadow Bank. For the time will soon come that students will shape the fortunes of all.